Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can disable the Windows Defender on your Windows permanently, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So this is the very important security of our Windows. Now in some cases that you want to permanently disable this because you are going to download and install any third-party antivirus programs, then you can do that. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here security. Best match, go ahead and click that. Now on the left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Then here, simply disable the real-time protection, the cloud-delivered protection, the automatic sample submission, and then the tamper protection. Just simply disable all of this and then close this window. The next is we are going to go to the registry editor. So type here REGEDIT. Best match. Go ahead and click that. Then here just simply follow me for the path. Click on HK local machine. Double click. Look for the software folder. Double click. Then look for the policies folder. This one. Double click. And then look for the Microsoft folder. Double click. And then you have to look for the Windows Defender. Double click. So here is the path at the top. HK local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Windows Defender. Now right click on your Windows Defender and then select new. Select DWORD 32-bit value. Then here, change the value name into, so just follow me. Capital D, small I, S-A-B-L-E, disable. Capital A, small E-N-T-I, anti, and then capital letter S, small P-Y-W-A-R-E, is disable anti-spyware. Double click and then change the value data to 1 and then click on OK and then simply close this Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Now, once you have restarted your Windows, then your Windows Defender will be permanently disabled. Now, in some cases that you want to revert the process and you want to enable the Windows Defender, then simply go back to the same process. Open the Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. So since we have disabled this, let's go back to the Registry Editor. Then let's delete this. So it's just the same path. Now we have to delete this. Select Delete. Click on Yes. Then simply close this Windows and then just make a restart of your Windows 2. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.